In this video, I'll show you how to fix Office 365 install error. This product cannot be installed on the selected update channel. This error usually occurs due to update channel mismatches or registry conflicts in Office 365. First thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and click on Win or on your keyboard. This will allow you to prompt the run program into your device. So in here, go ahead and open your regedit. This will allow you to open the registry editor. Now on the registry editor, go ahead and look for HKey local machine /software /policies /Microsoft /office /16.0 common /office update and delete the office update key. Another thing that you can do is to go ahead and use Office Deployment Tool to download and use the Office Deployment Tool to customize and install Office correctly. Another thing that you can do is to go ahead and uninstall previous versions, so use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to remove any remnants of previous Office installations before reinstalling. And the last option that you have to resolve this problem is to restart your PC. After making changes, restart your PC and attempt the installation again. And that's basically how you can fix Office 365 install error. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.